Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing Clash of Clans on a school iPad. First, it's crucial to review your school's acceptable use policy to understand device limitations. Many school iPads have strict restrictions, blocking the App Store or specific games. Be aware that these devices often include monitoring software, so any attempts to bypass security might be logged. This initial check helps you understand the landscape. One common method people explore is using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and can sometimes bypass network restrictions by making it appear as if you're browsing from a different location. You'll need to research reputable VPN services that work well on iOS. However, be aware that many school networks are sophisticated and can detect and block VPN usage, rendering this method ineffective. Another avenue to investigate involves web-based alternatives or cloud gaming services. Some games offer versions playable directly through a web browser, potentially bypassing the need for an app installation. You might also find cloud gaming platforms that stream mobile games. These methods could potentially circumvent App Store restrictions. However, they typically demand a very strong and stable internet connection for a smooth experience, which might be challenging on a school network. Before attempting any of these methods, it's vital to consider the significant risks involved. Bypassing school security policies can lead to serious disciplinary actions, including suspension or loss of device privileges. School IT departments are highly skilled and actively monitor device usage. Always weigh the potential consequences against the desire to play. It's often best to respect the rules and use school devices for their intended educational purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.